In this video, I'm going to show you how to get double damage inside of Fortnite. You can actually get any amount of damage you want. You can increase it or decrease it. It's your choice. So you're going to need a damage amplification power up. You can just type in damage device in the content browser. It will show up. You choose your damage multiplier. If you want to go past 4, you need to use Verse. It's very easy to do though. If you want a video on that, I'll make a video on that. Infinite effect duration enabled. Respawn on. Time to respawn. Set this to 0. Ambient audio off. Apply to player. Who can see the power up? We can keep that like that. Effects, we're going to turn that to none. Now, all you need to do to use this is either pick it up or have it activate from a trigger or a button, for example. Let's say this is in a shop. You just have link to pick up from that trigger being activated or from this button being pressed. One thing to actually make sure to include, if that's what you want, persist on elimination. So it just means basically you can keep your increased damage when you die. I have an absolute beginner course, first link in the description. Another way you can help me is by subscribing and using creator code GISMO in the Fortnite creator store.